Welcome. In this quick and simple tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your server name in Discord. If you've recently created a server or just want to give it a fresh new identity, this guide will help you rename it in just a few easy steps. First, open the Discord app on your device. Whether you're using your phone or desktop, the process is basically the same. Once Discord is open, navigate to the server you want to rename. You'll see its name displayed at the top of the channel list. That's what we're going to change. Next, tap on your server's name at the top. A small menu will appear with several options. From here, select the one that says Settings. This will open your server settings panel where you can manage everything from roles and channels to server icons and more. Inside the settings, tap on Overview. This section gives you access to the basic details of your server, including its name, icon, and region. Now, look for the text field labeled Server Name. Tap into that field and you'll be able to type a new name for your server. It can be anything you want, whether it's something professional, funny, or themed around your community. Once you've entered the new name, double check for spelling and make sure it looks exactly how you want it to appear. After that, tap Save to confirm the change. Discord will instantly update your server name and all your members will see the new name right away. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Discord server name in just a few steps. It's a simple adjustment, but can make a big difference in how your server stands out and feels to your community. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy Discord tips and updates. Thanks for watching.